In this video I will show you how I made this typography poster in Photoshop. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Choose this color and press OK. Go to Rectangular tool. Change this color. Draw the shape. Now we will press Ctrl and select the rectangular layer and the background layer and align them. Go to Type tool. Choose this font. Change this color. Type your text. Adjust the text. Right-click and choose Convert to Shape. Now we will copy the text by pressing Alt. Select the all text layers. Right-click and choose Merge Shape. Press Ctrl-T, right-click and choose Perspective. Follow the process. Create a new layer. Go to Brush tool. Now we will click on this box. Drag the man image, drag the copy man layer. Press Ctrl-T, right-click and choose Flip Vertical. Adjust the image. Add a mask. Go to Gradient tool. Drag to up. Create a new layer. Foreground color is black. Down the opacity. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.